In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Capcut Pro using your iPhone. If you're looking to unlock more advanced features on Capcut for your video editing projects, upgrading to Capcut Pro is a straightforward and efficient option. Let me walk you through the process from start to finish so you can get the most out of your editing experience. First things first, ensure that your Capcut app is installed and updated to the latest version on your iPhone. This will prevent any technical hiccups. Once you've checked that, go ahead and open the Capcut app. Can you see it on your home screen? Great. Tap to open it and we'll proceed from there. Now that you have the app open, take a quick look at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you should find your profile icon. Give it a tap. This is your gateway to managing your account and exploring new features available to you. With your profile section displayed, you might notice an option that either says Capcut Pro or Upgrade to Pro. This option is what we're looking for. Sometimes you might have to scroll a little to find it, but it should be fairly prominent and easy to spot. Go ahead and tap on this option. Next comes the decision making part. Choosing a plan that suits you best. Capcut Pro typically offers different subscription plans, usually on a monthly or yearly basis. Carefully consider how often you're going to use the app and which plan offers the best value for your needs. Once you've made up your mind, select the plan you prefer. With the plan selected, you're now ready to proceed to payment. This step requires confirming your payment through the App Store. Depending on your settings, you may need to use Face ID for a quick and secure payment confirmation, or you might need to enter your Apple ID password. Make sure you have this information handy to avoid any hold-ups. Check the details one more time and confirm the payment when you're ready. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully joined Capcut Pro. All those additional Pro features are now available for you to explore and utilize in your projects. In just a few moments, you've not only upgraded your app, but also opened up a realm of creative possibilities. Remember, with Capcut Pro, your editing potential is endless. Think about experimenting with the new tools at your disposal and taking your video projects to the next level. Whether you're working on a personal project or something for school or work, I hope you make the most of these new features. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy editing.